Good afternoon, student. Kanboli High School, Panvel, class 6 standard, subject English. My name is Mayuri Maruti Bhuye. First of all, I ask you some questions. You guess it in answer in your mind. First, when are you afraid of doing something? Guess it. Yes, if you think we will lose, get afraid of doing something. Second, when will you not win? Yes, we will not win until not about sure ourselves. Some related were learn about poem. Unit poem. Subunit the man who thinks he can. So student, open your textbooks, page number 42. The poem written by Walter D. Wintle. Walter D. Wintle, a poet who lived in the late 19th and early 20th century. Little to nothing is known about any details of his life. Thinking is also known as the man who thinks he can. Okay, then I read whole poem, you listen carefully. The man who thinks he can. First stanza. If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but think you can't, it's almost certain you won't. Second stanza. If you think you will lose, you are lost. For out of the world we find success begins with a person's will. It's all in a state of mind. Then, if you think you are outclassed, you are. You have got to think high to rise. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win a prize. Fourth, life's battles don't always go to the stronger or faster man, but sooner or later the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Okay, open your notebook and related some new words in your poem. Beaten. Beaten means to defeat somebody. Second, dare. Dare means make bold. Then will. Will means hair. It means the power of a person mind. Then outclass. Outclass means a person is outclassed when others are better than him or do better than him. Then rise. Rise means an increase in a level. Battles. Battles means struggle. Then stronger. Stronger means physically powerful. I explain the first stanza. If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but you think you can't, it is almost certain you won't. It means in this poem, poet explains that we should always cherish good and high thoughts in our mind due to strong will. Firm confidence and high determination, we will succeed in our lives. In this stanza, poet said that success or failure is always in our mind. If we think that we are defeated, certainly we will be defeated, surely we will not. If we want to win but we think that we cannot win, it is sure that we will not win because thoughts are driving source behind our victory or defeats. It means जर तुम्ही असा विचार केलात तुम्ही पराभूत झाला तर तुम्ही पराभूत झालेलं असाल. जर तुम्ही असं ठरवलं आहात की मी धाडस करू शकत नाही तर तुमच्याने ते होणार नाही. जर तुम्हाला जिंकायला आवडतंय परंतु तुमचं मन तयार नाही, परंतु तुम्ही असं विचार करता की मी हे करू शकत नाही, जवळजवळ निश्चित खात्रीने ते काम होणार नाही. इट मीन्स इफ यू आर नेगेटिव्ह ॲट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ इन एनी वर्क यू विल बी नेवर बी एबल टू इन द सक्सेस. Then, before starting anything, you should always think that you will successful. Then, second stanza. If you think you will lose, you are lost. For out of the world we find success begin with a fellow's will. It's all in the state of mind. It means poet said that a person loses only when he thinks that he will lose, because in our world we see that success of a person starts with his will and determination. It is the force of thinking that drives us toward action, because failure of success resides in our mind. It means जर तुम्ही असा विचार केला की तुम्ही हरलेले आहात तर मग तसंच होईल, तुम्ही हरलेले असाल. जगभराचा आम्ही अभ्यास केलाय. आम्हाला असं सापडलंय की यश हे व्यक्तीच्या प्रबळ इच्छेतूनच निर्माण होत असते. ते यश मनाच्या अवस्थेमध्ये लपलेले असते. देन इफ यू थिंक पॉझिटिव्ह अँड निगेटिव्ह थिंकिंग इज स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. Before doing something you are lost, you are surely lost person power of thinking. If you can be successful, it will work hard and achievement. Every work start first in your mind, then actually. Then third stanza. If you think you are outclassed, you are. You have got to think, have to rise. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win a prize. It means, poet says that if we think that we are not better than others, certainly we will not be better if we want to make success in our lives. We have to think for a rising high. If we want to participate in a competition, we should have self-confidence. Without self-confidence, we can never win a prize. It means तुम्ही आधीच असा विचार केला की तुम्ही मागे पडलेले आहात, तुमचं बळ नाहीसं झालंय, तर मग तसंच होईल. हा तुमचा स्वतःचा उद्धार करायचा असेल तर तुम्हाला उच्च विचार ठेवायला लागतील. अगदी तुम्हाला बक्षीस जिंकायचं आहे तर स्वतःविषयी खात्री बाळगायला हवीच. देन यू poet motivate and tell us you should think high and positive and achieve your goal. You should be confident yourself goal and always be positively to able to do it. Then life fourth stanza. The life battles don't always go to the stronger or faster man, but soon or late the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. It means in this poem, poet says that it is not necessary that he decision of life battle always go in favor of stronger or faster man, but sooner or later only that person is crowned with success who has full confidence in himself. It must have power of think that he can do everything in this world. जीवनाची लढाईची असेल तर ताकदवान माणसं जिंकतात असं काही नाही. ही लढाई उशिरा किंवा लवकर लढतात. अशी माणसं लढाई जिंकतात की जे मनातून ठरवतात की मी हे करू शकतो, मी हे करणार आणि ते यश मिळवतातच. देन every in your life facing challenges, you accept the challenges and you growth life. It is not necessary that only those stronger and faster was the ability he successful. In this poem about tell us positive thinking and building confidence in your mind. Man always wanted to be fly, but God not has given him wings. But due to his confidence and positive attitude, he invented aeroplane. He made possible in which was not possible. I hope you understand the poem. Then I ask you some questions. Guess in your mind the answer. Where does success begin? Yes, success begin person will. When are you beaten? Yes, when are you think you are beaten? Then third question, when are you lost? Yes, we are lost when we are not confident. Okay, student. Then I give you homework. Write down on your notebook. Copy any 4 lines of your choice from the poem. Okay. Thanks.